Y Cerddwyr, Ramblers Cymru. Jane Davidson is Minister for the Environment, Sustainability and Housing of Llywodraeth Cynulliad Cymru, Welsh Assembly Government.
So we've just had Wales's first ever Sustainability Week. Can you tell us a bit about what this has involved?
Well, if you live sustainably, then you live in a way that doesn't affect negatively our resources for the future. And it's about reflecting the fact that although we tend to behave as though we had nearly 3 planets at our disposal, we actually only have one. So what we wanted to do in Wales was to encourage organisations across Wales to sign up to the principle of one planet living, to be as sustainable as possible, and to demonstrate to people the huge variety of activities that actually come under the heading of sustainable development. So we have seen walking buses, we've seen fashion shows out of recycled materials, we've seen organisations commit themselves to looking at being more sustainable for the future. We've seen more traditional environmental projects. We've seen projects around energy efficiency and making sure the houses of the future are more sustainable, both in terms of the environment and in terms of the people who live in them. So we've seen a huge range of initiatives, and this is only the first time we've done this, and we're looking forward to even more exciting projects. And I'm pretty confident that food growing and community food growing is going to be one of the biggest increases over the next year before we move into our second Sustainability Week next May.